town that is in our book with the help of oil pastels. Yes, I've heard that many of you find it really difficult to color with the oil pastels. So today, I'm going to clear all your doubts and the difficulties that you face while doing oil pastels. So are you ready? Let's get started. So this is page number 11, the town that we are going to color with the help of oil pastels today. Children, oil pastels are a very good medium of coloring where you get the actual intensity of the color. I'll show you how. Just look at the intensity of the color that we have. So dark, it's so natural. No transparency, not even translucent, they are properly opaque, which gives us the exact look of the color, how it actually looks. But if we use crayons or pencil colors, they are good too, but they don't give us the actual intensity of the color. That is why I love using oil pastels. It's not necessary to color in the same direction, but it's important to fill in the gaps that are visible in our picture. See, proper opaque color. It is very difficult to get such coloring if we use crayons or pencil colors. As I always tell that it's important to color the outlining first, but here we are privileged that we already have our outlinings colored, which tell us which color is to be used where. So I am just finalizing my outlinings and then I am filling the color inside, making sure that I don't have any white gaps left or my color is not going out of my boundaries. We do not need to apply a lot of force, as oil pastels itself give us a good quality of color, and it's not necessary to put a lot of force on the color, which is actually required while we do pencil colors and crayons. Pencil colors and crayons are generally done where we need our pictures to be more transparent, but oil pastels are used where the picture needs to be more opaque. I prefer coloring in circular motions because it gives more coverage to my picture. And also it hides the direction of the color, giving it a very flat and subtle look. So we are done. So this is how our town looks after we color it with the oil pastels. Children, one solution to all your coloring problems is practicing. Art you can never learn without practicing. So I hope you all are practicing at home. I'll see you in the next episode with another fun-filled activity. Till then, happy learning!